Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on mobile data on your Android phone using the Quick Settings panel. This is useful if your internet is not working away from Wi-Fi, and you need to quickly reconnect using your mobile network. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Quick panel. Here, you should see the mobile data icon. Simply tap on it to turn mobile data on or off. If you don't see the mobile data option right away, swipe down again to fully expand the Quick panel. Then tap the pencil or edit icon and look through the available buttons until you find mobile data. From there, you can drag it into your Quick panel so it's easier to access anytime. You can also turn on mobile data from the Settings app. First, open Settings on your phone. Next, tap on Connections. After that, select Data Usage. Here, you will see the mobile data option. Simply tap the toggle to turn mobile data on or off. If prompted, confirm the action and your phone will start using your mobile network for internet access. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on mobile data on your Android phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!